RV TV mounts secure TVs during travel, prevent damage, save space, and ensure stable, adjustable viewing in moving vehicles. Today's video is about top 5 best RV TV mounts for secure installation that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Elived Lockable RV TV Mount. This universal RV TV mount is a reliable and versatile solution for travelers who want secure entertainment on the road. Designed to fit most 13 to 43-inch TVs with visa patterns from 50 by 50 mm to 200 by 200 mm, it supports up to 22 pounds, making it ideal for RVs, campers, and motorhomes. The build quality stands out, with high-strength steel ensuring durability and stability even during bumpy rides. The full-motion design significantly improves viewing comfort. With +5 degrees per -15 degrees tilt, plus or minus 90 degrees swivel, and slight level adjustment, you can easily find the perfect angle while reducing glare. It also extends up to 14.09 inches and retracts to just 3.15 inches, saving valuable space. A standout feature is the one-step locking mechanism, which keeps the TV firmly in place during transit and releases quickly when needed. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions and included hardware allowing setup in under 30 minutes. The dual wall plates add flexibility, letting you move your TV between indoor and outdoor setups. Overall, it's a sturdy, practical choice for any RV setup. Now our second product is Mount Pro Monitor Wall Mount. This heavy-duty wall mount monitor arm is an excellent choice for anyone using ultra-wide or larger displays. Designed to support 17 of 43 flat or curved screens, it handles weights from 2.2 to 33.1 pounds with ease. The wide visa compatibility ensures it works with most modern monitors, making it a versatile upgrade for home or office setups. Its full motion flexibility is where it truly shines. With 360 degrees rotation, plus or minus 90 degrees tilt, and plus or minus 90 degrees swivel, adjusting your screen for the perfect angle or switching between landscape and portrait modes is effortless. The pneumatic spring lift offers a smooth 13.2 height adjustment, helping you maintain a comfortable and ergonomic viewing position. Beyond performance, it helps declutter your workspace by lifting the monitor off your desk. The arm retracts neatly when not in use, while built-in cable management keeps everything tidy. Built from premium steel with a durable gas spring tested for long-term use, it feels stable and reliable. Installation is straightforward, making it a practical and efficient mounting solution. Our third product is monTEK Ultra Slim TV Wall Mount. The monTEK Ultra Slim Full Motion TV Wall Mount is a premium solution for large screens, combining strength, flexibility, and sleek design. It supports most 37 to 75-inch TVs with visa patterns from 100 by 200 to 400 by 400 mm and can handle up to 143 pounds, making it ideal for heavier setups. Its compatibility with wood studs, concrete, and brick walls adds to its versatility. What truly sets it apart is the ultra-thin 0.77-inch profile. When retracted, it sits nearly flush against the wall, creating a clean, modern look while saving space. The included cable clips help maintain a tidy setup by hiding messy wires. Performance-wise, the mount delivers excellent adjustability. With plus or minus 30 degrees swivel, plus 3 degrees per minus 15 degrees tilt, plus or minus 3 degrees leveling, and up to 9.84 inches of extension, it ensures comfortable viewing from multiple angles. The heavy-duty steel construction and dual articulating arms provide impressive stability, backed by rigorous strength testing. Installation is quick and user-friendly, thanks to clear instructions and included tools. Overall, it's a durable, stylish, and highly functional choice for any home entertainment setup. Now number 4, Home Vision Heavy Duty TV Wall Mount. This heavy-duty TV wall mount is built for serious large-screen setups, delivering exceptional strength and stability. The one-piece wall plate design, made from 2.0 mm thick solid steel, eliminates weak points found in traditional mounts. It confidently supports TVs up to 100 inches and 220 pounds, including massive models like 98-inch screens, with no wobble. The 4x safety testing adds extra reassurance for long-term use. Compatibility is another strong point. It fits most 42 to 100-inch TVs with visa patterns from 100 by 100 to 600 by 600 mm and works with multiple stud spacings, making installation flexible, Just be sure to double-check your TV's visa pattern to avoid mismatches with larger models. Despite its heavy-duty build, the mount maintains a sleek 1.49-inch low-profile design, giving your TV a clean, almost flush appearance while allowing proper airflow. Installation is quick and simple with labeled hardware and clear instructions. Features like horizontal adjustment and quick-release straps make setup and adjustments easy. Backed by a 10-year warranty, it's a reliable, long-lasting choice for big-screen mounting. And our last choice is Mountup Lockable RV TV Mount. The Mountup Universal RV TV Mount is a practical and dependable choice for travelers who want secure, flexible entertainment on the road. It supports most 13 to 43-inch TVs up to 33 pounds, with wide visa compatibility, making it suitable for RVs, campers, motorhomes, and trailers. As long as you verify your TV's size and mounting pattern, it fits a variety of setups easily. The full-motion design greatly enhances viewing comfort. With +5 degrees per -15 degrees tilt, plus or minus 90 degrees swivel, and an extension up to 14 inches, you can adjust the screen to the perfect angle whether relaxing or moving around. It also retracts to just 2.7 inches, helping save valuable space. A standout feature is the lockable pull-cord mechanism, which keeps the TV firmly in place during travel. This adds peace of mind on rough roads, preventing unwanted movement or damage. Installation is straightforward with included hardware and instructions, plus post-install leveling ensures a clean finish. Overall, it's a sturdy, user-friendly mount that balances safety, flexibility, and convenience for any RV lifestyle. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.